Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. I'm making another vlog. Baby girl is here now. I don't know if you watched my nesting series. It was only 2. I started when we were 37 weeks and we had our baby when we were 39 weeks and 2 days or 3 days or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this vlog series now. In this week's vlog, I don't know what it's gonna entail. Definitely some baby content, definitely some fitness content, breastfeeding content, all of that stuff, but it might entail even more. So if you're interested in that content, definitely stay tuned to this video, and not only this video but the channel, because it will be more videos coming out like this, just like this one, very soon. So right now I'm about to go on a short walk slash run slash jog, whatever. That has been what I'm approved for right now. My baby is currently 3 weeks. She's gonna be 4 weeks this week, so she's gonna be 1 month this week, so you'll see how that turns out for us. And we're also gonna announce on social media that she's here this week because she's a month, and I didn't want to get bombarded, but a lot of people know already, but not everyone from our social media and stuff like that. But anyway, all that to say that I got approved from my doctor last Monday to be able to do cardio again. I was really itching to get back in the gym, work out again, just be healthier, not only for me, but for my daughter and for my husband, of course. But if you missed that video, I'll go ahead and link that video if I already have it out, because I'm going to talk about my whole pregnancy journey and just things that I don't want to forget, like not necessarily like bad things about the pregnancy, but I definitely don't want to forget some of the feelings that I had because I wasn't able to do a lot of stuff. So I don't want to forget, you know, just not being able to have that and not being able to do that. I just realized this whole clip and last clip, I did not have my mic on. I'll go ahead and turn it on after I get these clips, so you'll probably notice a difference. I'll let you know when it happens. But let's go ahead and go for a run real quick and we will be back. I lost my train of thought. All in all, to say, I'm approved to do cardio. I can't lift weights or anything like that. So right now, whenever it's nice outside, I just go for a run, and I'm tracking distance, but at the same time, I'm not really pushing myself too much. I'm just, you know, running until I can't, or running until I feel like stopping. So that's just what it's going to be. So let's go ahead and go do it. He has never lost. All right, we're leaving out. We're going to Old Navy so we can buy our daughter some more newborn clothes, because our baby wears newborn clothes and she's about to be a month, which is crazy. All right, it's Tuesday. I didn't film yesterday except for maybe a pumping session because Sunday night was different for us as far as sleep goes, and I just kind of stayed in my PJs most of the day, and then I went for a run with the family slash walk, and then we ate dinner, and it was like kind of like a low-key day slash night, and we were really trying to troubleshoot why Elaina doesn't want to sleep in her bassinet, so we were trying to figure that out. So I was kind of focused on that. But right now, we're going to go for another family walk. Also, I wanted to include postpartum things in this video, even though I'm going to have a postpartum video that comes out to the channel. But right now, I need to go get my iron. I did getting diagnosed with anemia, which I kind of had like spats of anemia prior to, like years ago, but in my pregnancy they put me on like 325 milligrams of iron, and so we need to go pick that up, and that's just part of it. Like, you need to make space and room to do other stuff, not just what you want to do, or like not just what you want to do on the couch and stuff like that, like sitting on the couch all day and stuff. All right, back from our walk. Baby girl is in there in the dark living room in her car seat. I literally just walked in. So for the rest of the night, we're probably just gonna chill out. I'm gonna try to get a few more pumping sessions in. I think that's gonna be my main focus. And we're eating pretty late, but we still need to eat dinner. And I think I'm gonna make a video about this, like how we did food and stuff after having a baby. But I think we're just gonna do these Trader Joe's things, the naan, and then we have chicken tikka masala, and then we have fiery chicken curry, and we're probably just gonna use that and have us a ball with that tonight. Otherwise, we do have Blue Apron, and those meals are pretty quick, but our kitchen is already, you know, when the kitchen is already kind of dirty and you don't want to cook something on top of the mess. That's basically what I'm thinking about right now. And I know my husband is going to cook it, and he probably does want to cook it, but I'm just not up for waiting that long. And on top of that, like, it's really probably because I don't want to wait that long, to be honest. I was just going to put it out there. All right, so it's Wednesday morning. I figured that we would actually, well, it's 1:01 on Wednesday. Figured that I should vlog earlier than 7 o'clock. But we got up early this morning. Obviously, we're up and down all night until like 7 o'clock. And then homegirl, as you can hear her in the background, she basically, so I don't know if I mentioned this before, but she is having trouble like sleeping in her bassinet. But last night she actually slept in her bassinet for the most part, and then when she got hungry, my husband gave her 2 bottles within the night, and then she wouldn't settle after the second bottle, and then I was able to settle her after a while, and then she slept in her bassinet. But then when her next feed came, I ended up breastfeeding her in the bed, and then she ended up staying in the bed. So she was in the bed from like 7 or maybe like 9. It was like 7 something or 9 something until we got up this morning at like 11. And then from there, we just got dressed. Both my husband and I like took turns taking showers and everything. So now I'm just now eating breakfast because I just fed her. And I'm trying to up my protein because I'm not intentionally, well, let me rephrase that. I am trying to lose weight basically, but at the same time, I'm not like being strict about it yet. Like, I plan to do Noom, and I plan to go to the gym, like an actual gym. But right now, all I'm doing is running 3 times a week, and then we walk the other days, or we at least try. Yesterday we did, but we don't do it every day. And then now I'm trying to work with my food. That's the main thing that I'm trying to do now, because when you're breastfeeding, obviously you don't want to lose weight. You don't want to like calorie restrict because your milk supply will go down. But at the same time, I can start making swaps for like healthier foods, and like making sure that my foods are a little more balanced, especially being that I had gestational diabetes during my pregnancy, and there's a higher chance for me to develop type 2 diabetes after giving birth. They do say that it's prolonged over a prolonged period of time. However, if I start making the changes now, it'll be like, you know, solidified, so I don't have to deal with that in the future. So yeah, so now I'm just eating chicken sausage and then a cup of cereal, and then I'm probably going to eat something else with protein. I forgot what I was gonna eat. Probably like in an hour I'm gonna eat parfait with protein yogurt. Hey y'all, so it's Thursday and my husband just went to Bible study for the first time since baby girl has arrived. I've been going, but virtually, so we haven't really been away from each other. When his mom was here, they went out for like an hour or two maybe, but he's probably going to be gone from somewhere around like 2.5, 3 hours ish. And it's late at night. When they left, it was like early in the morning or like earlier in the day, so it wasn't a huge deal, but now it's late at night, so this is my first time being alone for hours with baby girl. My mom is gonna call me in a bit though. Like I was like, husband just left for a while. Does anybody want to keep me company? So she's gonna call. But in the meantime of that, I've been wanting to make some banana bread because of these dirty bananas. I was about to say dirty apples. So I want to make that, and I'm just looking online for a good recipe. I think I made it before, and I didn't really like the recipe I used before because it wasn't really like amazing. It was just kind of like, oh, okay, that was cool or whatever. So okay, I think we're gonna do this one. This is not my phone, so I would look on Pinterest. I'm pretty sure this is probably Pinterest, but like it has a Pinterest link. But this is apparently the best one, and it has 5 stars, and my bananas are way riper than that. And I love a recipe, I love a recipe that has pictures like this to show like what the step is going to be, because I love to bake, but at the same time, baking is one of those things, like if you don't do each step correctly, it's not coming out right, okay? So you can give up on it. And I don't know if I have vanilla extract. I know I have all the other ingredients here. So let's just see if I can find some vanilla extract real quick. Aha. Found some. And then I think it's one more thing. Baking soda. I think I have baking soda, yeah. Alright. I might add, I think I got walnuts. No, I'm not, because sometimes walnuts can be bitter. I don't really want to go for that right now, so let's make the banana bread. So it's Friday and we went to brunch, and I definitely left y'all here. I didn't get any clips of that, but we went to this local place called Scrambled. I don't think it's a franchise or anything, so you may not have heard of it, but it has good biscuits and pancakes. Oh my goodness, the pancakes were so good. And I got I ended up getting steak and eggs, and it came with so much food. It came with like a ribeye steak, probably like an 8 to 12 ounce. No, it was probably like an 8 ounce. And then hash browns and eggs and a biscuit. So much food. So we brought some home, of course, because my husband got this skillet, and then he also got us a pancake, and the pancake was so good, but we were full. So I have like half of my meal, as well as we have half of the pancake left. I don't know why I told y'all all of that, but I was talking about how good it was, even though we didn't finish the food, I guess. So now I'm debating if I'm gonna film one of the 3 videos that I want to film, which is, or I probably want to film 4 videos because they're time sensitive, but I want to see if I want to film the 1 month update for my baby girl, or do I want to do my labor and delivery story, or do I want to do my pregnancy story? Like, it's so many ones. It's definitely 3 that I need to go ahead and film, which is the pregnancy story and testimony, the labor and delivery, and then postpartum. Like, just a brief synopsis of postpartum, but I mean, I'm still in postpartum, so that one's a little less time sensitive. And then I'm going to continue to vlog, so I'm pretty sure I can just squeeze in the 1 month update in the next vlog and not have to worry about it. But I also wanted to create a separation on my channel to where some of the content is like, the vlogs are going to be a mix of kind of like everything, but like I also want to upload like specific baby content, because of course there's like a lot of information that I've learned now that I'm a mom, and I want to spread that information. But also what was I about to say? I was gonna say that, oh, and then I wanted to film like a regular video for my channel, like homemaking or like gardening. I won't be gardening this year, unfortunately, but next year we're out there, okay? Me and her and daddy out there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and probably take down my hair and get this whole process going, but I'm probably not gonna vlog anymore for today or tomorrow, or today and probably parts of tomorrow, because now that I have a baby, this is at least a 2-day process, because I'm not able to do everything in one sitting anymore. So I'm gonna end it here, but thank you so very much for watching this. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you watching the next one. Bye.